Hello. For those of you that have been staying tuned on the channel, you'll have seen that I've been building out this Razor MX650 electric pit bike. So far I've upgraded the whole powertrain, so we've got a 3000 watt motor, a 72 volt battery from E&C Lithium, and a controller. I've also got hydraulic disc brakes, a new throttle, and a key ignition. All of those parts are included in the Electro & Co upgrade kit, which will be linked down below. In addition to that, I've also got upgraded off-road wheel set and a Psych Plus GPS display. In this video, I'm going to be turning this pit bike into a mini supermoto. I'm going to throw on these beautiful RSF 650 wheels that Razor generously sent my way. I'm also going to strip the plastics and spray paint them black, give the bike a totally new look, and see how it performs on the street. That's enough talking. Let's get going. The base coat's looking good. I'm gonna come back in about an hour and do a second coat.
1 hour later.
Clean. Okay, the bike is fully built. I've got the spray painted plastics and the RSF Supermoto wheels. I've got the upgraded battery, motor, controller, brakes, and throttle, all from the Electro & Co kit. With the larger RSF wheels, there's almost no motor clearance, which looks really cool, but I had to take the heatsink off. Very happy how this bike turned out. There were a couple issues. I needed some spacers to make the rear brakes work, and I could not figure out the front wheel spacers to make the front brake work. So that is a work in progress. I'm gonna take this to a ride out, no front brake, take it to a ride out, see how it performs. Let's go. Boom. Okay, we got the Mini and we got the Sur-on. Let's go ride. All right, we made it to the meetup spot with the Sur-on and the Mini Supermoto. So this is actually my first time riding this bike, so before we go on the ride, I want to do a quick practice. Feels so smooth. Oh my god. Night and day compared to the stock tires. Wow. Rear brake feels great. Let's try a wheelie. Oh man, wheelie's like a dream. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, I'm very happy with this build. All right, feeling very smooth. The RSF wheels make this bike a total different ride. Woo! Oh, wheelie's so nice. Oh my God. All right, let's try a new wheelie. Oh my God, a new wheelie's so nice. Ooh, so happy with the ride quality on this bike. Oh my God. This might wheelie better than the RSF. Seat stander? Huh? Should we try it? Oh, we're up, we're up.
I didn't touch anything, so if it was recorded, it's recorded.
Hell yeah, thanks, dude. Yes,
A
dude.
new chain on yesterday, and you know the tension is a lot better, but it has to. I think it has to break itself in.
38, 39. All right, we're hitting 40. We're hitting 40 on these. I think the mini moto, the RSF version of this, I was hitting closer to 45. But this is plenty fast. Yeah. How you feeling, man? Yeah. Looking good. One hand. Got the rear suspension and the front suspension on here. Hydraulic disc brakes. I just don't have my front brake working right now. But that's okay, you don't need a front brake to wheelie, so.
I can't hold them, I can only ride them out.
Woo!
Damn, I wish I could be up there. Oh, hey!
Ah! Okay, I'm gonna try a proper seat stander without bending my knees too much. I'm fully standing, baby. Come on. Something's going on over here. Beautiful. Whoop.
Well, yeah, I put my shit on myself. I ran over that one.
All right, everybody, we can start gearing up.
Does that stick long enough, bro? We're out, we're out. Pound that Red Bull, bro. Full send. Oh, that's sick. Just cruising with the pack. So when you put the street wheels on this dirt bike, it makes it so much more pleasant to ride on the street. It really has a lot of grip and leaning ability. It might go a little bit slower actually because the wheels are much larger and heavier, but I fully think it's worth it. It still hauls.
Start with the recording?
Yeah. Off the curb, off the curb. Woo! This thing is a sidewalk surfer. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So once you throw the street wheels on the MX, it really makes a difference riding on the street. So much more control and grip. Yeah. We're on this beautiful mountain road, nice turns, Supermoto wheels holding up beautifully. Don't have the front brake, but we're working around it. Yeah. Whoa. What a cool spot.
Right on. Yeah, I seen that side before, and like, but
Oh, good.
and I know he's not like good.
All right, pulling back to the meetup spot. That was about a 25-mile ride out, and I'm still at 69 volts starting at 83. So I've still got plenty of miles left. Super in love with this bike with the street wheels on it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.